Hi, good day. Padaan lang. So yes, have you ever heard people say madali lang mag-BPO? Nakaupo lang sila. Well, let's bust the myth. Yes, we sit in front of computers, but working in BPO takes more than that. It requires patience, adaptability, and also strong communication skills, especially when handling, tough customers, uh, tough those customer who's irate and also asking for a supervisor. So they are customers from different cultures and also countries. At the same time, we're not just taking calls. We're assisting customers and making sure to, just met their satisfaction. It's not easy handling calls every day. So there's different type of customers. So we need to make sure that we assess them and also we provide the solution that they needed. Another myth, they are saying that walang career growth, right? So the truth is, BPO offers clear career path from agent to trainer, supervisor, manager, and even top leadership role along the way. So you can gain valuable skills like problem solving, leadership, and also global communication. It's not easy working in a call center industry. Next time, if someone says BPO is easy, you'll know that it's not that easy. And it's not just a job, it's a career that builds futures. So again, that's what BPO industry. All right. So yeah, tara, kape.